Alright guys, we're here in the Powerbuilt garage, and today we're going to be doing an automatic transmission fluid exchange on a 2012 Prius V using the Powerbuilt fluid filler. Also comes with a variety of automatic transmission adapters that fit to any make or model application that you may have. The Powerbuilt fluid filler is a hand pressurized fluid filler, so you don't need any shop air to use this. It's got a nice heavy duty ball valve on the end. So once you get it hooked up, you get your right adapter on there, you get it hooked up, you pressurize it, release that ball valve, and your fluid goes right in. In addition to that, we got our Toyota brand ATF World Standard fluid, 4 quarts is what the Prius takes, and our Powerbuilt fluid hose here, so we can pour it into the fluid filler here. We're also going to be replacing some of the push pin clips on the bottom pan that we got to remove to get access to the transmission. And for that we have the Powerbuilt push pin clip pliers and also a trim tool to help remove those. And in addition, the fill and drain plugs on the Toyota Prius are both a 10mm hex, so we have a hex bit socket and some ratchets all in Powerbuilt brand and some Powerbuilt work lights to help illuminate our work area once we get the car jacked up. So we're going to be jacking the car up with the Powerbuilt 2.5-ton low profile jack using Powerbuilt 6-ton jack stands. You hold it in place, and we'll be getting under the car conveniently with the 2-in-1 Powerbuilt convertible creeper. And so let's get started.